Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at this cue card. Describe your friend you like to talk with. You should say who he or she is, what you like to talk about, and why you like to talk with him or her, and explain how you feel about him or her. So before we begin, we are going to look at some of the words that we will be using in this cue card. So first word is full of beans. Actually, it is an idiom which means full of energy. Next is erudite. It means having great knowledge. In Punjabi, ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਕੋਲ ਬਹੁਤ knowledge ਹੋਏ then ਆਪਾਂ ਉਸ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਨੂੰ erudite ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Next is career oriented. It means a person who is focused towards his career. Next is goal oriented. It means a person who is focused towards his goal. Another word is productive, which means fruitful. Next word is persistence. It means trying to do something even though it is difficult. Next is with flying colors. It is also an idiom which means with good marks. In Punjabi, ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਚੰਗੇ ਨੰਬਰ ਆਏ, so I passed with good marks. So ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ I passed with good marks ਨੂੰ change ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ I passed with flying colors. So ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ use ਕਰਨਾ with good marks, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ use ਕਰੋ with flying colors. Next is optimistic. It means a person who is always hopeful and expect good outcomes. In Punjabi, ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਆਸ਼ਾਵਾਦੀ ਹੋਏ, ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਸੋਚੇ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਚੰਗੇ ਲਈ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ ਔਰ ਜੋ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਚੰਗਾ ਹੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਸੋ ਉਸ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ optimistic ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. So without wasting time, let's begin. I like intelligent conversations that make me think even hours after they end. I have these kind of conversations with my friend Jasleen. She is my childhood friend. We always spare time to meet each other on weekends despite having busy schedules. There are various reasons that I like to interact with her. First of all, she does not do gossiping like other people. She just focuses on her own life and does not prefer to waste her precious time on useless things. She considers every second as a rupee. She always says that God credits 86,400 rupees every day in our life. So why do we waste this money on useless things? Another reason of liking her is that she is a person full of beans, optimistic, intelligent, and polite. Whenever anything bad happens in her life, she always looks on the positive side, and whenever I get upset, she is the first person who comes in my mind. As she always motivates me, I forget all my worries and try to find solutions for my problems. Moreover, she is an erudite, as she loves to read books in her free time. She has read more than 1,000 books. Also, she is a career-oriented person. Now she is preparing for the toughest exam of India, that is IAS. I believe that she will clear this exam in first attempt with flying colors. Besides, whenever we meet, she talks about famous personalities like Elon Musk, Joe Biden, and others. We discussed that these are also ordinary people and they became successful and rich with the determination, persistence, and hard work. She always says to me that nothing is impossible if we are goal oriented. Her productive talks are the reasons that I like to talk to her. So that's it for this session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.